Welcome guys. In this video, we are going to build Flutter documentation website using Flutter Web. So, yep, this is what I come after, uh, after like searching for many other projects. So, I think why not we are using Flutter. So let's build Flutter documentation using Flutter Web. So, yep, this is our uh, next project which we are going to work on. So yeah, it is pretty good. I'm pretty excited to build my Flutter web for Flutter. So yeah, this is a very like I'm very glad that I found this project or I got the idea. Actually, how did I got the idea is my friend got stuck using during the installation of the Flutter, so I helped him out. So I just go through the like documentation regularly. So why not create a documentation for the Flutter doc? So yeah, I think it is not a very big project, you can say, but still, we are going to do this thing. Like it is not very what to put this? It is not a very big project, but it is a pretty exciting project. Like these things and widgets and widgets. So yeah, this is our next upcoming project which we are working on. So yeah, see ya. Have a good day and bye bye. Take care and keep exploring, keep learning new things. And my house construction work is still going, so video might the frequency of video coming might be delayed, but it is not delayed that much. So yeah, this is it for the video, and if you have any query, any feedback, any suggestion, or yep, anything which you like me to discuss, you can comment it down, and uh, I would message you as soon as possible. I'll yep. And one more, here's a good news, like I do post, I do regularly share uh, my blogs on dev.to, and we have successfully I have successfully have 1K followers on my dev.to, so congratulations to us. So yeah, this is what we are working in the next upcoming project. So yeah, if you have any other project idea or anything, you can comment it down. We will try to solve it. We will try to make it, and I'll comment. I'll respond to as soon as possible. So that is it for this introduction video, like what we are going to build here. So yeah, that is it. See ya, bye bye, and have a nice day.